आई शो यू ये कल रात का स्टोरी. शंकर ऐसा क्राउच करके एलेक्सा के मुंह में घुस के एलेक्सा. Shankar has been trying to get Alexa to play a Bhojpuri song for the last 10 minutes. It's hilarious. Alexa के अंदर घुस गया है.
Alexa सुन ही नहीं रहा. Alexa stop.
क्या गाना बजाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं?
रितेश पांडे का था जहिया से चल गए छोड़ के हमारा.
Alexa, play रितेश पांडे.
नहीं ये नहीं. जहिया से चल गए छोड़ के हमारा.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
जहिया से चल गए छोड़ के हमारा.
तो नेक्स्ट करते रहे ना. Alexa, play रितेश पांडे. हाँ नेक्स्ट. Alexa next. पॉपुलर गाना है क्या?
हम बहुत पॉपुलर है.
Alexa next. Alexa next. Alexa next. Alexa next. ये कौन सा गाना है?
नहीं ये भी नहीं.
Alexa next.
ये भी नहीं.
Alexa next. Alexa next.
हाँ ये है.
फिर फाइनली हमको गाना मिला है सब 20-25वां.
पांच गाने का.
हाँ ठीक. मैं वहां से स्टोरी रिकॉर्ड किया क्योंकि मेरे को बस सुनाई दे रहा था कि शंकर 15 मिनट से एलेक्सा 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 अरे क्यों नहीं सुनती हो तुम. He's having a full conversation with Alexa. अरे सुनो तो. क्या है ये? सब ठीक है? किसे बात कर रहा है? गर्लफ्रेंड. ओह शिट. हाय फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम Z5. मेरे को बस फटाफट जाना था जनता. अरे थैंक यू फ्रेंड. मेरे को बता जनता का रिस्पांस कैसा है चिंटू का बर्थडे को लेके.
बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स. बहुत सारे व्यूअर्स, बहुत सारे सब्सक्राइबर्स.
और
नंबर बताऊंगा तो फिर मेरा जॉब जाएगा.
जनरली प्लेटफॉर्म पे जनता देख रही है, जनता एंजॉय कर रही है आपके हिसाब से.
Yes, from day one. In fact, word of mouth helped it pick up even more. The first 5 days का traction as compared to the 5th, 6th to 11th day.
हाँ.
6th to 11th day we got more than first 5, which is usually doesn't happen. So it's
ओह फैंटास्टिक.
मिलता है ना.
इसका मतलब बॉट आर्मी अपना काम सही कर रही है. जनता को बताओ और अभी भी देख सकते हो आप चिंटू का बर्थडे Z5 पे. फटाफट जाओ और प्रोमो कोड मैं स्क्रीन पे डाल रहा हूँ, फटाफट देख लो. वुड यू से Z5 पे सबसे बेस्ट मूवी है ये?
I have no comments. One of the best movies on Z5.
ठीक है, डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर. आई विल टेक दैट. सी यू बडी. फ्राइड केला करके देखते. शुड बी फ्राई दिस केला. रेवंत.
You should definitely.
For science. क्या लगता है शंकर? केला फ्राई करें तो क्या आएगा?
सर तवे पे किसी को भी बैठा दो तो फ्राई हो ही जाएगा. तो केला है.
All right, who's up for some fried raghav? Revant, you want to eat some fried raghav? Oh, golden brown, it's a perfect color.
Probably if you season it with pepper or something, it will taste nice.
Yeah?
Yeah, if you season it with pepper.
I'll give you $50 to eat it. Akash there sitting and judging everyone. This up and serve it on a plate. Akash will notice that this is not a sausage, but in fact it's a banana.
You can try that with Naveed.
Huh?
Naveed
Oh, let's do it. Naveed doesn't know. ये बनाना को ना सॉसेज की तरह काट एक प्लेट में. नवीद को 2 सॉसेज और आधा बनाना दे दे. Let's see what happens. पाव में डाल के देना है क्या सॉसेज को? हाँ? हाँ पाव में डाल के देते हैं उसको. पाव में और भी नहीं पता चलेगा उसको. It looks like some pav and sausage. How cool.
How do we not make him suspicious?
I know how to do it. I've made you sausage pav.
Hi.
I've made you sausage pav.
Thank you, Rohan.
Are it's Joshi?
Yeah.
Have a bite. Tell me what you think. I cooked Naveed something.
What is this? Is it banana inside? What the fuck?
We were doing an experiment.
Disgusting.
That's not experiment. The word for that is prank.
Okay, I'm going for a drive with Kaniz in the evening. Are you coming?
I said yes.
Okay, done. I'll ping you. How does it taste? Even I want to know. अब तक मैंने स्ट्रीम किया, अपने दोस्तों के साथ हैंग आउट किया, थोड़ा पार्टी किया, मम्मी के साथ, फैमिली के साथ थोड़ा टाइम गुजारा. एंड इवेंचुअली इट वाज टाइम टू डू द वन थिंग दैट वाज मिसिंग. इट वाज गेडी टाइम. Who is it? Mom already came and left. All right. We're going.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ollie.
I said you look good, and then you said I look younger. And I was like, I never said that. And you said you look good.
Okay, fuck you.
Who said? Yeah.
Why are you here?
I said, I didn't say younger. I'm thinking about younger.
Yay!
Isn't that big?
We're going out for a drive. Let's go. I'm gonna pick up Rohan. Mask buddies. That's it.
Oh my God.
Rohan, I just wanted to tell you that Baba Ramdev have come out with Coronil, which is cure for Corona.
Really?
Yeah.
This is a joke?
It's not a joke. It came out today.
It's come out today. It's a thing now.
Yes.
What is in the corona?
But also one sec, does it stop corona from happening, or if you have corona it cures it?
It cures everything.
Okay, cool. Got it. So basically he's invented cocaine. Baba Ramdev.
Yeah, so all I'm saying is you can throw your mask out now.
Woohoo!
Yeah!
Yeah! Did you know that Mari is a type of biscuit? It's
Yes.
not the brand name.
Yes,
Marie is a type of biscuit, and
In South
Britannia
Africa-
Marie is just, in my humble opinion,
The best?
the best version of the foam.
Ah.
Right? It's the best example of the foam.
Well, we have one in South Africa, a Baker's Mari biscuit. Nah.
But you
Nobody
also
cares
have-
about
but-
South Africa.
but you
South
also
Africa.
have, like,
They use
crazy
real
races of
eggs and
South
butter.
Africa.
This is fucking Kanis for everything. Hey
Yeah.
man, what's going on? You know, in South Africa, we say, how's it going like this? Where are we going, Kanu?
Oh fuck, my car. Oh my knee, we need petrol, guys.
Oh my god, do you want to take 2-3 years and figure out where we're going? God, Kanis, this is completely
Sorry,
wrong.
guys. Guys, it's been 3 months of me doing whatever the fuck I want to do on the
so
road. My
many
bad.
Guys,
My bad.
Kanis has forgotten how to drive, guys.
Kanina again, South Africa, this is the side of the road.
Rohan, where are we going?
We are going to a place called Bunchberry.
Bunchberry Apartments.
Bunchberry Apartments. For reasons of privacy, floor and all shall obviously not be mentioned. Bunchberry Apartments.
Second floor.
Oh my god, we're going to your first apartment.
First ever office.
Remember I did the improv workshop where you guys did 2 hours and you're like, we're bored?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
The roast was written in their office. The roast was
yes,
edited in their office.
yes.
And I remember when the roast was being edited one evening, Ranveer popped by to see the edit of the roast.
Yeah.
And if now you'll notice, it's in one corner, okay, of
Yeah.
Yari Road.
Yeah.
And Ranveer just came, and all these slum kids from around, he's like, what the fuck is this
Yeah, what is happening?
Jaguar doing here? And a movie star has just popped out.
You have
Yeah.
a Jaguar?
What is up?
Yeah, he's a movie star, Kanis.
I mean,
Okay,
I
maybe
think he
not.
did, wait, to clarify, he didn't show up riding an actual Jaguar.
No,
No,
God.
not
he
the
had-
animal.
Like, not the animal.
Alright, thanks for
God,
clarifying, guys.
Yeah.
I have no shame to admit this. Like, I think I was in the office for like a year or 2 or something like that.
Yeah.
I didn't shit in that office once. Just no.
But we had a small toilet, like tiny
small
toilet.
and udhar bhi cockroach bahut
Yeah, I used to hate going to that toilet because every time I had to go to that toight, I'd be like, fuck, can I just keep my shit in for 2 more hours?
Yeah. So basically what I was saying is happy birthday. This guy.
Banchberry, there you go. Are Rohan? Entry was from here. This is where we used to enter from.
Where we used to enter from and go in.
That was the lift. Remember, we got stuck in the lift for 3 hours that day. Oh yeah, no one is in our office. Oh no.
Sad and quiet.
Oh, do you think it's the cockroaches in the
That's
tiny
what they don't
toilet?
need the light. They don't need the light. That's why. This is
Kanu, do you remember coming here?
Yeah, I came here.
Miss you, Banchu.
not so much also.
Rohan, should we do it?
Should we do what?
Start from the bottom now, eh?
Started from the bottom, now we're here. Wait, technically it's come back to the place that was the bottom. So we've literally come back.
Oh yeah, there should be goats
There'll be
here.
lots of goats.
Kanis, what is your opinion? Bye, Rohan! Rohan, bye!
Hi, Rohan. Salam alaikum. Walaikum salam would have been fine.
What did he do?
I don't know. Some gypsy dance.
Bye!
Bye.
पुरानी एबी ऑफिस देखने के बाद ऐसा बहुत अच्छा लगा. थोड़ा फील्स आया. ऐसा लगा बस परसों ही तो वहाँ थे. क्या से क्या हो गया, कहाँ से कहाँ आ गए. That too with Rohan and Kanis, who I feel like I've grown up with them. और अपने दोस्तों के साथ टाइम गुजारने के बाद मैं घर आ गया. Alright, we are coming back home after a very very fun drive with Kaniz and Rohan. कितने टाइम बाद ऐसे कुछ नॉर्मल सी वाला फीलिंग आया.
Revant was on a call outside and he's like, people are waving and lighting. And I'm like, what? I went in, it's very sweet.
Oh, I'm on maximum zoom. Can I zoom any further? Oh, I can. Oh, that's so sweet. Hey guys. Thank you so much. That's so sweet. Oh my God. Do you guys spy on me every day? Can you guys see what we're doing every day? What are your names?
Okay, better. We mostly have our curtains closed.
That's because we're up to no good. What are your names? Tell me your names. You're going to be on the vlog. Jigar, Akash, Ramya. Awesome. Thank you so much, guys. Wave to the vlog. Can you yell like, share, subscribe? So sweet. There's the whole sign. That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Bot Army is best. How did you spot it?
I was walking.
Ah.
These guys are there with the lights jumping. I thought it's like some emergency or something, like somebody is kidnapped or something. I'm just thinking कि मैं पुलिस को बुलाऊँ. And then they're like, Tanmay, happy birthday, Tanmay.
Day is ending. Birthday is over. Birthday is over. क्या हो गया?
You started suddenly relating with me.
You like birthdays, no?
Yeah, I love birthdays. They're full of surprising, making
But-
you feel special moments.
When has anyone made you feel special?
So
Shut the fuck and finish the edit. मैंने अपनी जिंदगी में बहुत बर्थडेज देखे हैं एंड आई थॉट माई फीलिंग्स अबाउट बर्थडेज आर क्वाइट सीमेंटेड कि बर्थडेज मुझे पसंद नहीं है और कभी नहीं आएंगे. Why are we celebrating birthday? Okay, our parents had sex and that's about it. उसमें ताली बजाने वाली क्या बात है, उसमें केक लाने वाली क्या बात है. आई थिंक बर्थडे ही डिफरेंट नहीं, बट आई थिंक पूरा साल ही अलग रहा है. एंड मे बी दैट्स वाई दिस ईयर्स बर्थडे वॉज स्पेशल. यूजली बर्थडे पे सब कुछ थोड़ा ऑब्लिगेशन लगता है. लोग मैसेज करते हैं कि ओ हैप्पी बर्थडे, क्योंकि बोलना पड़ता है. बट इस साल जो बर्थडे विशेज आए, दैट फेल्ट लाइक दे वेंट बियॉन्ड द बर्थडे. Genuinely felt like people really wanted me to have a great year ahead. I wish you have a great year ahead. Genuinely felt like people really wanted me to have a great year ahead. मुझे हमेशा लगता था कि बर्थडेज का कोई पॉइंट नहीं है, कि बर्थडेज यूजलेस है और बर्थडेज बहुत फालतू का टाइम वेस्ट है. बट बर्थडेज आर अ माइलस्टोन, एंड व्हाट आर माइलस्टोन्स इफ नॉट मोमेंट्स टू recognize change and growth. And maybe this birthday for me was the point at which things change. शायद इस साल से I might actually look forward to my birthdays. क्योंकि क्या पता कल हो ना हो. I'm kidding. मन में बहुत सारे feelings and I don't know what all directions they're going in. But if I had to sum it up, I would just sum it up very simply, which is by saying thank you. Thank you, Bot Army. Thank you for being here. Thank you for making me feel special. I hope it's not just me, but all of you have a fantastic year ahead. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like. See you guys next year to change and grow.
फिजाओं में ओसे भीगा मैं. ज़बा पे शिद्दत सिया जो फल वो खुद से बोया, पैरों का कांटा बना के मोती है पिरोया. है बस एक मिन्नत खुदा को बोल के दे दिल लिखित, कि देखे नाकामी न कियो बेमानी हम दिल की मानी से शेक शिट. है मेरी मांगे लिस्टेड सारी सलाइयाँ छेक छेक.